What's going on, traders? This is Mike with Tactical Traders, doing some end of the day scans right now, going through some trending tickers, and right now I'm looking at Aprn. This is the yearly on the day chart over the past year. It looks like I do have some old drawings in this chart. I'm not sure for when. I do not remember trading this recently, but let's just go through the chart. We'll just leave these lines here. It looks like it's an area of resistance, which pretty much is held true. But yeah, so let's just go through the chart right now. So let's drop some areas of support. Obviously, we have our areas down here, which it has been bouncing off of roughly around $3, and it looks like it was kind of going in a little bit of a channel. Actually, let me draw it up like this. All right, so it's been putting in some higher highs from after going in this channel, retesting that today, breaking over 6. Obviously, in the past, this was an area of resistance, held true, actually acted as support, which is pretty common with the old areas of resistance, broke down, and has now been acting as resistance again. So this is the daily. Let's pull up the intraday, see if we can some setups potentially. Alright guys, so this is owned by 30% of institutions, so there will be some funds and companies protecting this. Kind of a choppy chart, intraday, but yeah, you can see those areas of resistance even when you zoom up on intraday still hold true. You can see all these skinny wicks going through it, not much getting above it, breaking above it momentarily, but then crashing right below it again. This is where we're gonna have to see. We'll look at the $6 area. But yeah, so this is 30% institutional owned. So that's nothing crazy, but I would expect some hedges and companies to defend this. And actually, I could definitely see this continuing on its way. You know, it did have a pullback, but that's kind of needed when you can see this much of a pull. I'm looking for price targets. Well, this is after hours. We're at 5.95. I was gonna say 6, but you know, that doesn't make any sense. I'll pull a little farther back. Alright, yeah, so I'm going to say our price targets are going to be, we'll put one right at 7 because that's an obvious area right there. We're probably going to go in dollar increments with something like this. Next one would be right around 8. And as you can see, this has been an area of resistance. Above that, it says 8 to 850. We're going to start having a lot more resistance. And past that, we're going to definitely go to our $10 mark. And we're going to leave it at that for right now. But yeah, so pretty easily you can see some 20% returns in the near future. Say we're going to be testing 8 to 850 within the next month. And we are holding about 16% over intraday, so I do like that. Still some active after hours trading. Keeping an eye on this. Definitely watch this in the morning, but I would be surprised in the PM if we touch 750. Alright, traders, thanks for watching. Have a good one.